Everyone, I'm Mahesh. In this video, I'm going to introduce one of the best website in India. In that website, you can search jobs. Students, those who do not know about this site, they can search job rather than going to the internet centers again and again and asking to them if their job notifications are there or not. In that way, you can avoid. If you have a smartphone or laptop or computer, then you can search the jobs notification directly in online. You can go to the google.com or chrome or any browser internet that is which are you are using. You can search job notifications based on your qualification that you have possessed, that you have gained. You can search jobs and apply for that, right? Apart from this website which I'm going to introduce in this video, there are other sites also there, like a naukri.com, sarkari.com, jobrapid.com, shine.com, indeed.com, even in India government jobs.com. There are apps are there. Even one more app has been released now, that's called kormo.com, right? So this are I'm going to show you just but introduction. Later I'm going to introduce the one thing, just like this is a naukri.com, right? You can go to Google website official naukri.com, otherwise you can download the Naukri app also. Even Sarkari apps also there, even Sarkari apps, even the Sarkari job app also there. Wait, I'm going to show you here. Sarkari job apps in this, Sarkari job app. Then here the Kormo jobs. Recently this app has been released. This how many 5 million people has been downloaded thus far. This app. Even job rapido app also there. You can download that app also. Even Indeed also you can download. Indeed also in a Glassdoor, Shine app, Indeed app you can download. Which I am going to introduce in this video is called pre job alert, right? This app also there. Even this apps also people are using. See, this is they have given good feedback to this app, job pre-job alert. This website I'm going to introduce today, right? Neither you can go to the google.com or chrome.com or any browser and you can search there. You can type there. I'm going to the chrome.com, and so after going to the chrome.com, type, let me choose a new tab. Then after choosing the new tab, have to type the free job alert, right? Already I have typed free jobs alert twice, therefore this already name has been appeared in this dashboard. So I'm going to press on the free job alert site, right? This is the one of the best site. This site ranks in India number 6. It ranks in India. Naukri app or Naukri website is a number 1 site in India. After that some sites comes like a Sign, Indeed, Job Rapido, Sarkari.com. After that freejobalert.com will rank on 6th rank. So kindly press on here the freejobalert.com to see notifications where you want to apply, for which job you want to apply, right? See, you can zoom here. Neither you can click on this three dots where you can see and choose desktop site. Tick here. As it is shown in the computer, just it will be shown in mobile also. It's like a desktop site, right? It's like a desktop. then you can zoom it out and see best. There are, see guys, you see that in home page, no, all jobs India, government jobs, state government jobs, bank jobs, teaching jobs, engineering jobs, railway jobs, police and defense jobs also there. Even you can search emails and you can subscribe also, right? See here you can do in that way is I'm going to tell you, just like latest, click on here where notifications icon. Can you see that here latest notifications, right? When you click on that option, no, space will be open, then it will show you the latest jobs. That this site is very genuine and safe and secure and safety website also. These are the true jobs which this upside or site or website is uploading this, these are the true jobs, right? Can you see that here? See latest jobs, bank jobs, how many? For no, port categories, see here plus 2, any degree, BSc, BE, BTech, fire engineering. See there admission date and the last date to apply. Also it's everything is given here. See it's to get more information you need to click on get details, right? See post, how many posts also there is. Bank of India, Bank of Baroda, Canara Bank, SBI Bank. This is related to jobs. This is bank jobs, any degree, this whole things, no. This who can apply, who are required, or qualification also they are given here in admission number also, and the last date and more information by post name, officer name, specialist officer, position also they have given in a post date also, when they have posted also they have given name. Today is the 12, no, 12 they have given here. Say 7, no, 7 on the 7th they have posted. See these guys, see today they have posted, I think so, 7 and 7 they have posted. See, these are the jobs. Even say other government financial institutes like some, see management jobs and last days here, diploma, BE, BTech, CSC, then MCA, MBA, PGD, BA, CA. This type of people, those who have completed those course, no, they can apply for these jobs. And UPSC, SSC jobs, all other jobs, no, all India exams, no. See that based on, no, you can check here. If you wanted to see more detail about something, then say India all fellow jobs and defense jobs also there. Railway jobs, even railway jobs, 10th class ITI trade certificate. Just for example, we want to see something, just like a railway job. You need to just to know more about the details. Then click on get details. Once you click then get details, the space will be open. It will take you to the particular site area, right? So can you see that application fees is 100 rupees. Candidate should pay 100 rupees. Pay online through payment gateway as a part of online application. You need to pay money in online. Important dates, starting dates to apply 10, the 10 already is over. Then closing date is 9, already is over. It's already completed. This is, there is no more time to apply for these jobs, then they have given minimum age also, then this much, then qualification and vacancies. So we are going back to the home page again. Yeah, see based on states also, you can search in Andhra how many jobs are there. They are given here, right? In Andhra, see recruitment board, WCD department, Anantapuramu, Anganwadi helper, Anganwadi worker, mini Anganwadi worker. How many posts? 855 posts. Even Dr. YSR Arogya Sri Healthcare Trust in Krishna, no, see Arogya Mitra team leader. How many posts are 13 posts are there? See, D, DGM manager, assistant manager, others how many? 17 posts. Hindustan Shipyard it is. Qualification any degree for engineering. Here BLNT. Then here MSc nursing, B pharmacy. It's related to head. This is Anganwadi 10th class qualification is required here. Then see, this has been posted 9th in 2020. This Hindustan Shipyard is ONGC. Medical officer, field medical officer, JDMO, 8 posts are there. MBBS qualified person to apply. Then here medical health and department, Nellore, librarian. Guys, you can check in this way. See, even AP High Court, civil judge, junior division, 55 posts are there. Andhra University, special officer, certified analyst, security officer, programmer, and others. Here 10 posts are there, degree or PG relevant discipline. Then they have given no admit number, but last date to apply 10. I think it's already over. It's over, no? Here, come on. This is UCICL, UCIL, X, ITI trade, apprentice, 30 post, 10th class, ITI relevant trade. How many here? So you can say, see, 10, no? 10, up to 10, 13 is there. Today is see up to 16. This is last day to apply. So click on here to get. Oh, we need here. Keep training. So we need. Come back. Yeah, then see. Yeah, management trainee. How many 30 posts are there? Which state we are looking for about? Let us see. Here 39. Get details. So see, I'm going to explain here little bit. See, this is where Vijay Steel Pay Recruitment 2020. Apply online for management training post. Qualifications they have given. Name of the post Vijay Steel Plant. In that steel plant. Last post date when they have posted this job in 10 this month. In this last date. Latest update they have given 8. No? Then vacancies how many? 11 vacancies are there. Brief information also they have given. What about this job description? Vijay Steel Plant has advertised notification for the recruitment. See, read all these things, guys. Please do read. Okay, before going to apply also. Then here, that number of things. See, application fees how many? Oh, OBC candidates and see 500 per candidates. Then SC and nil for them. They say nil. And the payment that which we have need to pay is through gateway payment. Important dates. Starting date, the last date to apply this job is 29 this month. After 29 they are going to close. Then minimum age is required to work in this company is 27 years. Yes, 27 years. Age limit also they have given. Even age reflection is applicable for the rules. According to rules they are going to do here. Qualification. Candidates should possess degree, MBA, PG degree, diploma in higher management, personal management, and industrial relations, labor welfare, then social work with 2 years experience. These are the qualifications they are asking for this job. Then vacancy details and post name, management training, marketing, management training, CCC. Total here management training 6 posts, then management training marketing 3 posts, then management training CC 2 posts. So you can click on here for applying also. Direct you can apply through this site also, right? You have to click on here and you click on here register to this website. Soon after registering to this website you can log in and you can apply, and that's how you can able to apply right here. Just guys, that's how you can see here. You see that's it. That's how guys you can able to apply. And one more thing I'm going to show in this app is, just wait for a few minutes. I'm coming back to this home page of this site. Just wait. Okay, wait, I came back. Just wait. So if you wanted to search only in Andhra Pradesh or Assam or Bihar, no, you can directly search. If you want something like a you need to work only in Andhra Pradesh, then press here AP. Then what are the posts are there in AP? Na? This site will be open for you. See how many jobs are there already given. It's given, huh? See, that's how you can check that jobs, right? And based on your qualification that you have or you are searching for, you need to check also. Suppose you want jobs, state government or bank jobs or teaching jobs or engineering jobs or railway jobs or police defensive, then you can, if you something you wanted teaching jobs, then click on to the teaching option. This page will be open for you. Then how many teachings are available, this website will open, and soon after checking all that jobs in this website, you can apply for these jobs where you fit or where you feel to work, and you can check, and you soon after checking you can apply. Here see, in Andhra Pradesh there are no teaching jobs, that's have in that bracket empty. In Assam there are jobs, are the teaching jobs, right? See, Tezpur University, how many posts are there? Guest faculties are 7 members are required. Qualification people MA, MSc, BEd, MEd, and see NET, CILT and PhD. All admission date and last date to apply also they have given here, right? Even they see this is then. Even in Bihar, there are 2 universities for teaching jobs. There Chhattisgarh, see, Swami Atmanand Government has secondary school. How many posts? 10 posts are there. And diploma degree, PG relevant discipline, BEd. Dadra Nagar and Haveli. You can check in that way by clicking on the where you are interested, in which area you are need to work. You can click here and examine information. Even if you wanted to check upcoming notification, you can click on here to upcoming notification. Once you click on to the upcoming notification, this page or the web will be open for you. Send upcoming notifications, but that's say there, these are the upcoming notifications, guys. So these are the upcoming notifications. You can see which are the latest, which are the upcoming also, by checking or through this prejobalert.com. This is not only the single website that which is available in India. There are plenty of the job sites are available in India. Even see JNTU Kakinada, various vacancies are there. But the qualification they have not given, but how many vacancies are there they have given here. Qualification also they are given 10th class. Oh, AP Anganwadi help person, right? So say a lot of jobs are guys. You can search by that way and examine information. You can click on here and say that how many examine information are there. So once you click on there, you can able to see that, and kindly zoom it and you can able to see that. See name of the exam, clerk, and this and then post and any degree qualification SBI. Such a way you can search, guys. This is very wonderful website. And here if you want something like a notification status, you can click over there. Latest announcement like admit card, you can check there. Click on to the admit card. Kindly zoom it. If you are having laptop or computer, no need to zoom it. If you are using like me the mobile, then you have to zoom it here. That's a guide, you need to do that. See assistant exam call letter, this admit cards unit of. That's how guys, I think you might be excited by knowing this website. So guys, please do subscribe to this video. If you like, please do press on the like button. If you dislike, why you dislike, you can need to press on the dislike button and kindly comment it why you like, why you are not liking. And if you feel to comment on this video, please do comment it. And if you feel someone to know this video so that it will be informative to others, those who still doesn't know about job sites in India, please do share this video to someone else so that it will be beneficial for him also to check in online. And if you wanted my videos to reach firstly to your mobile, kindly subscribe to my channel so that once you subscribe to my channel, you will get my videos directly into your mobile. That's how you can able to contribute me. I hope this video is informative. And if you want anything help regarding that, no, you can ask me directly, you can comment it also. Even that's how guys in this video. Thank you for watching.